Student, today we have start the new topic, that is internet relay chat, that is IRC. Internet relay chat, chatting multiple user at a time. मतलब you can connect with multiple user and you can talk with everyone with the text chatting. Okay, so we have lots of chatting software, that is Google Talk, MSN Messenger. Instant messaging is one of them, where it's known as real time communication. It is known as real time. Real time means at the time. Real time communication means you can communicate two or more people based on type text. Yani you can text message, you can chat with the people, and then you can use live messenger is one of them for instant messaging. And everybody familiar with the WhatsApp messenger. There is no need to tell me something about the WhatsApp messenger. In a WhatsApp messenger you can talk, you can share videos, photos, and the lots of thoughts. You have lots of your share things, and it is a freeware and cross platform. Now the word, here I am using the word cross platform. Cross platform application. Cross platform application basically is used for, cross platform is basically used for कि there is no need to this software is not need for special operating system. It means that it can be run anywhere of the operating system. So that is known as, that's why we can say that this is the cross platform. Okay. Now next topic we are discuss about the news group. That is very important. When you This is basically the discussion group of there are some scientists, some engineers. They were shared their thoughts, so they can make a group. It may be privately and publicly. It is not mentioned in this book, but it can be privately and publicly. Privately means that you can share some monies and you can create your account, and publicly means that publicly account anyone can, you can share with thoughts with someone people. And there is how it is work basically. It is basically and there is a server where lots of information, that is your thoughts, is put up on a system. Then you can send that this person send this one going to this server, then this server, but that is lots of server, and having the lots of informations, and they you can send that information from the other users, and the same vice versa. And that is the concept of the news groups. So that is share your thoughts and opinions. Now next topic, that is we have discussed about 33. That is now next that is social networking websites. Everybody know that the Facebook, you can familiar with the Facebook. You can also share your videos, your photos, है ना. Facebook accounts 2 billion 2000 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg create this software, basically Facebook application, social networking site hai, that is. And you can share lots of things. This is also cross platform. There is no need for versioning of which one's system you can run, is that it can run anywhere. Next topic, that is LinkedIn basically this is a website through which multiple companies can put up their lots of employees informations, या और लॉट एम्प्लॉयर्स जो हैं, जो कंपनी वाले होते हैं, वो अपने बहुत सारी एम्प्लॉयज़ जो होते हैं वो अपनी CV रिज्यूम उस पर फिच किए रहते हैं. तो बहुत सारी कंपनी वाले जो हैं वो उसको हायर करते हैं. हायर करने के बाद उसको चेक करते हैं कि यस that is the suitable for my company, that guy is suitable for my company. So that is basically used for employees, and more than 100 million active users, mainly they can professional worldwide. It is not for national, it can worldwide. Many people can send their resume and CV. CV one means curriculum vitae. CV means curriculum. That is, you can't say bio data, biological data. That is the biological data. This is not when you put up your resume or CV, curriculum vitae, in a companies for the job. So we are using the word CV here. So okay. Now next topic, we are come on the Instagram is same as you can share photos and videos, the same things here. Flickr is also photos and video sharing. Okay. Now next, blogs and blogs, that is very important topics. Blogs or logs, that is it means that you can create your own blogs. It means that there are lots of sites through which you can create your own blogs. That is Sachin Tendulkar, yeah, the person, the has created their own blogs about their about yourself, and if the people have to know about you things, so that you can see, you can watch and see all the things related with the that persons. So you can create your own blogs, and there are lots of website through which you can create the blogs, your own blogs, blogger.com, tumblr.coms, and there are lots of